every time and now and again. But I'm at a place as the sports information director and the official scorer where I didn't have any communication with the dugout or anybody, so they didn't know what I scored it at the time. And she came up to me after, like, you scored that in there, right? And it was a very clear error.
This is a Silvertone model 7054 AM table radio from about 1947. It has 4 push buttons that you'll see here, and with this particular radio, if you push one of the push buttons, it actually moves the dial pointer to that station. This particular radio was obviously set up for southwestern Ohio because it has WLW and WKRC, which are both stations in Cincinnati, and then WHIO and WING, which are stations in Dayton. So I bought this radio from a local collector. I just had a little bit of trouble with the dial pointer getting stuck. Other than that, it's been a really good radio. This thing here is just an on-off switch, is actually separate from the volume control, and then it has 2 tone positions, a high and a low.
8 noon Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific on FS1. And on iHeartRadio, just search The Herd. This is Fox Sports Sunday.
So you see the high and low tone positions there.
Out of the Byron Nelson in Texas, Brooks Koepka, the leader at 50 pitches. She walked her. But Prince just cannot get out of an inning. But that's somebody
also nominated is Brooks, A Little Big Town. Die a Happy Man by Tom.
Making America great as he
online at cuttergroup.com. Great teams make it look.
Attica Scott will be the first African-American woman to serve in Kentucky State Legislature.
The Silvertone model 7054 AM table radio with 4 push buttons from 1947.